Hi guys, good morning. 27th of July 2017, another glorious day for Nifty. I mean, हर एक माइलस्टोन पे आके निफ्टी थोड़ा सा शेकिंग जोन में आ जाती है, बट इस बार इट्स जस्ट फॉर्मिंग मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल स्टेप्स, मोस्ट सॉलिड स्टेप्स, एंड एक एक कदम आराम से सॉलिडिफाई करके ऊपर जा रही है. और आज थर्सडे है, आज लास्ट एक्सपायरी डे है मंथ का, तो एक पॉसिबिलिटी है कि थोड़ी बहुत प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आ जाए. और उसके लिए हमको किस चीज का वेट करना निफ्टी में? MACD crossover, RSI crossover, and this cup formation should happen, and the candles should come below 15 moving average. Then Nifty will have a good amount of profit booking, at least, if not at least 100 points is what I'm expecting. But you never know. The bull run is so high, so huge. तो हो सकता है कि ना भी आए, कल आए. ये भी बहुत बार मैंने देखा है कि जो निफ्टी है वो आम आदमी की जो माइंडसेट है उसको डिफीट करती है, मतलब उसको एकदम से परेशान करती है कि आज एक्सपायरी के दिन प्रॉफिट बुकिंग ना के कल प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आए. तो वट एवर आई एम डूइंग इन अगस्त सीरीज, आई एम नॉट डूइंग इन जुलाई सीरीज, बिकॉज आज जो भी कुछ होगा वो जुलाई सीरीज में होगा. जुलाई सीरीज में मुझे कुछ पता नहीं अभी क्या होने वाला है. इट मे गो अप, इट मे कम डाउन, but whatever may happen, if I'm working in options, my options will become zero. So I'm not doing anything because I majorly work in options. So I'm not, and the position trades, I don't work in futures. But what I'm saying that I'm not doing anything in July anymore, because आज का दिन बहुत बहुत crucial और deceptive है. कुछ भी हो सकता है, लाखों रुपए जीरो भी हो सकते हैं और 1000 रुपए लाखों में भी कन्वर्ट हो सकते हैं. तो इसलिए जो है आज के दिन I'm little bit more careful. Okay, so let's see what's happening in this with respect to pivot point. So look at it. This is pivot point. Nifty opened at the first resistance, and with such a huge convincing candle, Nifty has gone up. Uske baad it stood up here for a while, and then again it started moving up. Now the next resistance जो Nifty को आता है वो आता है 1143 पे, which is far away, very very far away. I don't think so Nifty will go to that point, because मुझे लगता है कि इस पॉइंट से थोड़ा सा इसमें एक प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आनी चाहिए. आई एम फीलिंग दैट वे. अब I can't say, because I believe to say anything about Nifty is not correct right now, because it's in a huge bull run, right? So what I'm saying, guys, कि really we are starting with now our option theories, option teachings, as well as futures teaching also. So what did we do yesterday with all the webinar members? We made our BTST calls, right? Some we made BTST, some we made STBT, because the Nifty is so high. So what we do, at this point of time when Nifty is at a peak, some stocks are in the momentum of going up. So we bought it and sold yesterday. We did a paper trading. So we haven't done any actual trading. We did the paper trading and teaching to the members, so that at least their confidence level goes up to create the trades later on in future. And we did STBT, because when Nifty is so high, we have to hedge our position. So some stocks we bought for buy today and sell tomorrow, and some we sold today and bought tomorrow. So both ways, अगर एक डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट हो जाता निफ्टी का लेट्स से, बट लकीली जो स्टॉक्स ऊपर जा रहे थे वो ऊपर ही जा रहे हैं, जो स्टॉक्स नीचे जा रहे थे वो नीचे ही आ रहे हैं. So that way we are protected. So I'll show you what all did we do. So I'll start with some of the stocks that I did with my members, and we figured out what's going to happen. I mean, I don't know how much you will trust me, but you will have to trust me if I'm telling you here, because I really feel this space of my YouTube channel is very very divine. Very very divine, because I say so many things which I've never thought about before I started making this video. Like suppose my video is supposed to be made at 12 o'clock. So before that I have not even thought about it. For example, that trade of Sai Baba. I have never heard about this stock, right? I have never heard about this stock in my life. And when that member has asked me about Sai Baba, I have heard about this stock only a day prior to that. उससे पहले मैंने कभी स्टॉक नहीं सुना था. तो जब मैंने ये स्टॉक सुना, एंड आज इसको आप देखो ये कहाँ पे है, किस जगह पे? आज 39 रुपीज पे है. I don't know what has gone wrong. There's something definitely is happening in this stock which I don't know. When neither you know or nor I know. No one knows. आज ये स्टॉक कहाँ पे है, किस जगह पे है? यहाँ पे कहीं पे ट्रेड कर रहा है 39 रुपीज पे. I don't know what's gone wrong. The company has become bankrupt or what has happened or the stock split. No one knows. I was checking on the net. There is no news about it. So what I'm trying to tell you here, when somebody asked me, this was a beautiful run-up. A day before only somebody asked me in the webinar, what do you think about Sai Baba? And I did its entire analysis. And this was the day around this time, when 3rd of July, somebody has asked me when this big solid bullish candle has formed. And there is no sign of reversal. And I said that if you enter the stock, you will not be able to exit. And this is what is happening. Aaj ye 39 rupees pe hai. So what I feel here, if I'm speaking, I have to speak from my heart. If I have to speak very honestly. Because otherwise, the divinity, the divineness of this platform will go away. So what I'm telling you very honestly. We did it yesterday, 2:30, we did our analysis. We did BPCL, right? We researched a stock and we did buying in the BPCL. So according to us, it should have gone up today. And see here, this is what it has done. हमने इसकी परचेज की थी अपने हिसाब से 472.45. हमने इस पॉइंट पे इसकी परचेज की थी एंड द स्टॉक राइट नाउ इज एट 474.70, 2.7. हमने इसको बाय किया था समवेयर हियर, इस जगह पे बाय किया था, इस जगह पे बाय किया था. आज ये उससे ऊपर है. फिर हमने एक स्टॉक लिया था आईटीसी, राइट? ऑल्दो आईटीसी में इतना ज्यादा करेक्शन आया था, बट हमने इसको कल बाय किया था 293.70 पे, राइट? लेट्स सी आज कहाँ पे है. 293.70 पे बाय किया था और आज ये है 294.20 पे, ठीक है? और मॉर्निंग में इट इवन मेड 295, सो दैट वाज आल्सो पॉजिटिव स्टॉक फॉर अस. देन वी सोल्ड जेट एयरवेज. दैट वाज आवर वे टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर कैपिटल, इन द सेंस some buying stocks, some selling stocks. So we did hedge our position by selling Jet Airways. Let me show you. This is how this is going. So we sold it at 584.75. We sold it at 584.75 and it's right here. It made a low of 578 as well. ठीक है? Then उसके बाद we bought UPL. I'll show you UPL. These are all our research in the evening, right? We bought UPL at 873.66, 873.66 somewhere here is जगह पे, और it gave a high of 881, so which was also hit. Then we did Biocon, which didn't actually meet our expectation. So what was Biocon? We actually sold Biocon. So morning may it didn't meet our expectation. Now it is meeting, because see what happened. Morning we bought it, yesterday we bought it, sold it at 402. 402.50 पे इसको हमने सेल किया था, बट ये ऊपर गया. इसने इवन ऊपर जाके 408, 407 भी लगाया था. तो any person would have lost, a lot of money here. So this is one stock which did not fulfill our criteria, but now it's going to give us the required run up that we were looking for. Okay, then हमने सेल किया था बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्री में. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्री राइट नाउ. सो दिस इज बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्रीज. सो बालकृष्ण इंडस्ट्रीज में हमने इस जगह पे सेल किया था, इस जगह पे 1615 पे सेल किया था, सॉरी 1615 पे सेल किया था. इट डिड नॉट कंप्लाई टू आवर स्ट्रेटजी, राइट? सो दिस हैज फेल्ड अस. वोल्टास में हमने सेल किया था 499 पे. वोल्टास में हमने सेल किया था, बाय किया था. वी हैव 499 पे हमने इसको 499 पे हमने इसको बाय किया था शायद, या वी हैव बॉट इट. सो वी हैव बॉट इट एट 499 एंड सी व्हाट हैज इट गिवन. दिस इज द रन अप इट हैज गिवन, राइट? देन हमने इसके बाद बाय किया था कैन बैंक. सो कैन बैंक हमने बाय किया था BTST के लिए 357 पे. हमने 357 पे बाय किया था और इट हैज गिवन अ हाई ऑफ 359. 2 पॉइंट हमको यहाँ भी मिल गए होते. ये सारी BTST कॉल है, मतलब मॉर्निंग के फर्स्ट हाफ एन आवर में हमको अपना ट्रेड एग्जिट करना है, नो मैटर व्हाट. सो सी, दिस इज हाउ आवर रिसर्च इज डन, अ डे बिफोर इन एडवांस, एंड देन वी क्रिएट अ पोजीशन बेस्ड ऑन दैट. ठीक है. So this is what we will be teaching you, the options in the future and how you what kind of gains or losses you can expect. And losses, of course, we will not want you to have it or anybody to have it, but we will be doing our analysis based on our strategy. We have refined our strategy in much finer way. And now my webinar will start from 12th of August. I've just shifted it by 2 days. अभी हम सोच रहे थे कि 10th से शुरू करें, but members have requested to start it from the Saturday. So we will be starting now from 12th of August, and there will be 2 or 3 more experts who will be joining me. They're experts in options, and I'm going to give you the trades, and they will help you in understanding the options and how and what kind of position can you create, right? So I'm saying that please don't get trapped by such kind of trades like Sai Baba, right? This is something you have to learn. If you want to invest in stock market, you educate yourself, and there is nothing that you need to worry about, because we are telling you and we are promising you that we will recover whatever investment you will do. We will recover whatever investment you will be doing. So there is nothing to worry about, right? So this is how if your analysis is correct, your trades will be correct. Now let's go back to Nifty and see what's happening in Nifty. So Nifty is showing a bit of profit booking coming in, and that I can also see from the stocks. This is 15 minutes. अगर candles convincingly 15 minutes के नीचे बनती है, so I'm expecting a good amount of profit booking to come in today, right? This MACD and the RSI, which is at 71 right now, has to cross. Candles have to be below, like this graph has to go like this. Candles have to form below this 10 moving average. Then only we will be able to see that yes, Nifty is having a bit of profit booking coming in. Otherwise, as of now, where we stand, Nifty is just a beautiful run up, right? The only sign that it is showing, it showed it over here as well. Again, it's showing the same kind of pattern, but it has to actually make a candle below 10 moving average in 15 minutes. Then only our negative, the profit booking will set in into Nifty. Okay? So with this, I want to sign off today, and we'll meet tomorrow again. But guys, I'm saying, nobody will. I'm sure you must have seen different kind of people in the market teaching you, training you, and their strategies may work or not work. But here I'm giving you a strategy and I'm giving you a technique where I'm promising that we will recover our investment. So there is nothing to worry about. Just you have to take that plunge. You lose crores and lakhs in stock market. Spend just 30,000 on your learning. You will, entire life, you will get the benefit of this learning. So with my good wishes, please, continue trading well. And I hope आप लोगों को profit हुआ हो इस long Nifty की journey में. I just wish that you all have enjoyed this this run up that Nifty has shown. And if not, then I think you need to sit back and look. What is it that you need to change? Nifty has started from 7,000 and it is today at 10,000. And कब शुरू किया था इसने 7,000? Last year February में शुरू किया था. 3,000 points it has gone up. Almost like 50% return it has given, right? And ये देखिए double bottom जब इसने लगाया था, हम तब भी enter करते तो हमको बहुत बढ़िया opportunity थी to experience this beautiful run up, right? So please, invest in your learning and enjoy the benefit of good trades, and you will be also happy when the Nifty is reaching the peak. Otherwise, many people I know, those who have bought this Sai Baba, I'm sure they must be in a bad shape. They must be crying to their heart out what to do now. Anyway, please save yourself from such kind of scams. Analyze your trades. Even if you don't want to trade, do the training, at least go to screener.in. Analyze whether you're buying a correct trade or not. Okay? So, hoping Nifty to correct a little bit. Just sit carefully, sit tightly. If you have positions, just, protect, keep a stop loss, strict stop loss, so that you don't lose your profits. Bye-bye. Good day. See you tomorrow.